Hello people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's video we'll learn how to draw grass or paint grass with brush pens. So for this I have taken A5 size watercolor paper 120 GSM and Dome's brush pens 26 shades. I'm using lemon yellow, light green and dark green. So when we are drawing grass, just slightly use the tip of the brush for drawing the grass. If at all we want the broad edges in the bottom, just land 1/4 of the brush and then just throw the lines so that you get that very pointed soft edge which will vanish into the paper, and you'll have a very broad line in the bottom. So this is how it looks, and first I have used lemon yellow and now I'm using light green. The same way, you could, if at all you want small thin grasses, use only the tip of the brush and just land on the bottom and just give a featherly throw away onto the paper, and you find that very thin edge. And finally I'm using dark green to have the depth in the grass. So this is how I painted, and I hope you like the video. And in the bottom what we do is we'll just color it dark. So this is how it looks. Try doing this. Yes, you can give any type of strokes, like say you can just give a straight line and then give a curve, and that too makes the different texture in the grass. And once this is done, fill all the light gaps in the bottom. And for the darker thing we can use black, but I don't want to use black. I'm using the same dark green. First one single coat, and to make it even more dark I use a second coat inside to that. And this is how I finished. I hope you like the video, and if you like, please give a like and do subscribe the channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you and happy drawing. Bye bye, take care.